You don't heal by fighting your pain. You heal by rising above it. Rising above it. Find the stillness deep within. Let the healing now begin. With a higher point of view, everything will feel brand new. Rise above, rise above. Find your inner love. Rise above, rise above.
Welcome back. Day 57. Higher Self Emotional Healing. You don't heal by fighting your pain. You heal by rising above it. Humans get stuck in old memories, trauma loops, emotional reactions, unconscious patterns, self-judgment, insecurity, shame, anger, fear, guilt. These emotions are not enemies. They are signals. Higher self healing shows you how to read and dissolve them. 1. The 3 layers of emotional pain. AME.X model. Every emotional wound has 3 levels. 1. Surface pain. The emotion you feel. Anger, sadness, stress, frustration, fear. This is not the real problem. 2. Core pain. The deeper belief behind it. I am not enough. I will lose. I am alone. I don't matter. I am not safe. All pain comes from core wounds. 3. Source pain. The original moment, childhood or past event. This created your emotional blueprint. A calm warrior heals from the source, not the surface. 2. The 5 higher self healing powers. 1. Awareness. You observe emotion without drowning in it. 2. Acceptance. You stop resisting the feeling. 3. Presence. You stay with the emotion until it dissolves. 4. Understanding. You see where it came from. 5. You let the wound complete its cycle. This is emotional alchemy. 3. The higher self healing method. AME.X 4-step system. This will be legendary. Step 1. Pause. Don't react. Don't suppress. Don't escape. Let the emotion appear. Step 2. Observe. Say internally, I am noticing this emotion. Observe sensation. Tight chest, fear, heavy stomach, sadness, heat in body, anger, pressure in head, confusion. Your body reveals your truth. Step 3. Feel. Emotion dissolves when felt. Say, it's okay for this to be here. 30 seconds of full feeling removes 10 years of emotional residue. Step 4. Rise. Shift into higher self. Breath. Soften body. Speak truth. Choose alignment. Act from clarity. This is how you become emotionally unstoppable. 4. The 5 emotions and how the higher self heals them. 1. Fear. Fear contracts. Higher self expands. Breath plus awareness dissolves fear immediately. 2. Anger. Anger is unexpressed truth. Higher self listens. Awareness reveals the real wound beneath anger. 3. Sadness. Sadness is suppressed love. Higher self opens. Sadness dissolves when fully felt. 4. Shame. Shame is false identity. Higher self sees truth. Shame evaporates when you return to your real self. 5. Anxiety. Anxiety is mental time travel. Higher self returns you to the present. The now heals anxiety. 5. The 10-second higher self emotional reset. Whenever emotion rises, 1. Breath out. 2. Relax chest. 3. Observe the feeling. 4. Say internally, let it pass through. 5. Feel sensation for 5 seconds. 6. Drop into inner silence. Emotion dissolves. 6. The higher self forgiveness practice. Only higher consciousness can truly forgive. Say, I forgive you because I choose peace, not because you deserved it. Forgiveness frees you, not them. 7. The higher self inner child healing. This heals lifelong patterns. Sit still. Place hand on chest. Say to your younger self, you are safe now. You are loved now. You are protected now. I am here. Your nervous system rewires instantly. 8. The higher self emotional truth. Every emotion is a messenger. Anger, boundaries. Sadness, attachment. Fear, identity. Jealousy, insecurity. Anxiety, misalignment. Guilt, values. Loneliness, disconnection. Overwhelm, energy imbalance. Energy imbalance. The higher self does not judge emotions. It decodes them. 9. The higher self healing mantra. Repeat. I feel deeply. I release gently. I heal naturally. I rise fully. This programs emotional freedom. 10. Emotional freedom is your birthright. When you stop running from emotions and start listening to them, you grow, expand, mature, evolve, awaken, become wise, become calmer, become lighter, become more powerful. This is higher self emotional mastery. Thank you, brothers and sisters.
You don't heal by fighting your pain. You heal by rising above it. Rising above it. Find the stillness deep within. Let the healing now begin. With a higher point of view, everything will feel brand new. Rise above, rise above. Find your inner love. Rise above, rise above.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.